Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Gareth Laheen, or Life of Girk. It's been a hot minute. It's been a couple of months since my last video due to events that were out of my control, but we're back en route now, back on track. Today we're down in Waterford in the Comeragh mountains at, I think I'm pronouncing it right, Coumshingaun Lake. I've been here before. Plan of action is to hike up along there, up into the mist and the cloud. Looks very mystical up there. And it is about 4 o'clock now, so I need to get a move on because it's the middle of November and it's getting dark pretty early. Plenty of food, loads of new gear, new tent, new backpack, 75-litre backpack. Excited. First wild camp now, back in a while. Please God, it's going to be a good one. Let's go. So I really have to be careful, especially since I'm by myself. But in these situations, always tell somebody where you're going, especially coming into the winter months. Not as much daylight, so it's a lot more, you have to be a lot more prepared. I'm heading up there into that fog, into the unknown, a journey into the unknown. Like I said in one of my recent Instagram posts, we're all on a journey, no idea where to. One of us could be going to lough, the other one could be going to lough, and the other one could be going to Varna. Oh Jesus, I'm not fit. Look at them, all them sheeps. What are ya, boys? One thing I definitely don't miss is the midgies. And it definitely doesn't get any easier either. My back is sore, my ankles are sore, my shoulders are stiff because the weight in the back. But at the same time, I'm loving it. I would much rather be out here exploring the hills than stuck at home watching Beavis and Butthead or something. Sleep out here in the middle of November. It's kind of a bit of a thriller, like you're forced to survive. You know? Oh. So the tent is set up, all set here now. I just wish I got up here a bit earlier, but who cares? Still get to enjoy this beautiful scenery. Gonna get this mattress blown up now. Oh, I dropped it in the water, so it got a bit wet, but we move. So we just twist the nozzle. Self-inflates to 70%. You just undo it out and we're all good. Woo! You can just hear the sheep man away to themselves. So it's been a very long day. I've been on the road since 9:30. Happy to be set up here now, down in Waterford. It's like three and a half hour drive almost from where I live. Jeez, that looks so cool. Just the way it's rising up. But I just wanted to say a quick thing. So since I started hiking back in February, 99.9% of the time, I hike alone. Always hike alone. But coming into the winter months now, I plan to get out and do a lot of sunrise hikes and that. So if anyone would ever like to join me on a hike, just because I go alone doesn't mean I always want to go alone. If anyone would ever like to join me on a hike, get in contact. I would love for people to come with me, even while camping. Just to experience this with other people would be pretty cool. Yeah, if you want to come, text me. The inside of the tent, if you can see it, it's pretty dark, but I have my lamp there, MSR. I have a sleeping bag, mattress. I'm going making a bit of pasta, yeah boy shit! Pasta, and I have some chicken tikka. And I also cooked some baby potatoes before I came. Yeah boy shit! Well, how do you do, young Willie McBride? Do you mind if I sit here down by your graveside? We're down in Waterford, lads. We're going sleeping up on top of the mountain tonight, lads. Me and the lads. Let that focus. Here's my pasta. I have a bit of chicken there as well. And can you see me there? So I'm going eating this now. I am starved out of my noodle. I'm going eating this. Going to go to sleep then and get up for the sunrise. We'll take it from there. So guys, I am signing off for now. TTYL. Good morning everybody. So I'm just after waking up, and if I told you I had a good sleep, I'd be lying. I thought my tent was going to take off into the sky at one stage. Luckily it held down, but it was very windy and my sleeping bag ripped, and not very ideal now, to be honest, but I'm here, I'm awake, I'm alive, so that's all that matters. So the sky is starting to light up behind me here, and I'm making a wee cup of coffee, just here sitting on the edge. Life is good. That's lovely. Okay guys, another great wild camp, another great hike. Bag all packed. My gear is soaked, so I'll have to hang it up for it to dry when I get home. And as always guys, leave no trace. Leave Mother Nature as you found it. A bit wet, nothing really we can do about that, but I've cleaned up all my rubbish. Nothing is here, you can see for yourselves now. All good. So the plan is to make my way back down, but I just can't get over these views. Absolutely amazing. It's just gone 9:30, took me a while to pack up everything, but we've done it, and here we are. Okay guys, so another video to add to the channel. If you liked this video, if you enjoyed it, I'd be grateful if you could give a subscribe or hit the like button down below, share it with your family and friends, and as I said, much more to come. So, signing off for now, TTYL, Life of Girk.